What's a poppin'?
What's a poppin', everybody? Everybody. What's a poppin',
everybody? It's like,
sorry we're not that loud today because it's 8:13.
Alright, so we're gonna make a cookie with Stevie 4. This is the
4?
Yeah, 4. It's been a while. No, it hasn't been a while. It's been a long time since we made the last one.
Boo!
Alright, no. Alright. What's a poppin', everybody?
No, we already did that. It's the same video.
It's the same video?
I just
always forget, guys, that I'm not supposed to say my intro. It's been a while since.
What's a poppin', everybody?
So it's been a while, so that's why I get confused. So we're gonna do all these chocolates.
Sorry about that, guys.
All those chocolates, right?
Sorry, our kitchen is a little messy. It's usually not like this.
I know, it's never like this. Well, it's not that dirty, because the last videos we done, what was I gonna say? What was I gonna say?
I don't know. You were about to say about these chocolates?
Yeah. We're gonna...
Maybe we should put more Snickers in them. Kit Kats, I mean, not Snickers.
Like a fight, so... Alright, I got all the chocolates here. You see that one right there? You want that one? The Butterfinger. I like these because whenever I catch something, I have Butterfingers. Because I always eat these chocolates.
Calm down.
Alright.
Okay, tell them the ingredients.
Milk, chocolate,
chocolate
ice,
what?
Chocolate, Milky Ways, Twix, what are these? Three Musketeers, Kit Kat, no, wait, what is that? 100 gram. 100 gram Kit Kats, Milky Way.
Big cat, Kit Kat, look at that.
One thing I heard is that Milky Ways are popular here in Colorado. I don't think so. I think, I don't know, some other candy.
Trash! I like, Kit Kats and Twix and
hey, you're supposed to touch this on your left.
Oh, okay. Kit Kats and Twix. See these Twix? What?
You're right.
It's
right Twix. Okay.
Okay, with my right hand.
Yeah.
So there's Twix, 2 Twix.
Yeah.
Kit Kat.
Hershey's. There's like, I think, yeah, there's 3 Hershey's here. And then the Milky Ways. They're like the tiny ones and the big ones. There's 3 big ones and 2 tiny ones. But
okay, whatever.
Okay. What else we need to blend? We already have it here, but where's the
cup part? Wait, does that one even fit on this one?
I think so. Let me see. You think so?
Does it even spin? Phone versus thingy. Imagine dropping your phone in one of those. Okay, we're Mexican, so we're gonna put our abuelita in there.
Yeah, abuelita.
Sorry, abuelita, but we have to put you in the blender.
This is my abuelita from a long time ago. I don't have a grandma, so that's why.
Yes, you do.
No.
You have 2.
Oh, yeah, 2. So, I forget this.
At least they're gonna put it in though. So all these chocolates, Milky Way, we don't need the 100 gram.
Oh. For now, I'm just gonna taste it because I've never tried this.
I don't think I like them, so I'm not gonna eat it.
That's nasty.
Trash.
This not my tongue. Alright.
Alright, guys. Alright, guys.
Alright, guys.
Now we're gonna start opening these things.
I'm putting them in here.
Okay. Milky Way.
Milky Way too.
Hershey. God damn it, dude. Little thing. Left push.
Where my boy right Twix. Here it is. Hershey, tiny Hershey. The big kicker.
Half of my abuelita. Try to break that. Okay, that's enough candy.
Go, what is this?
Because it's my abuelita.
So that's how hard she is?
Ready? Try to break it like that.
So I can do that. Wait, no, wait.
Oh!
God damn, I wasn't gonna do that.
Okay, we're gonna put the A of the abuelita in there.
Oh wait, this is it.
It.
It. The clown.
Guys, we're gonna put it in there too.
Alright, then that's it. Oh wait,
We're also gonna
be. Gotta admit something. I mean, that right here says E. I know this YouTube channel is called Steven Vlogs, but this is my real name. Esteban.
Esteban. And we're also healthy, so we're gonna put half of a
banana.
banana. Now we're gonna put some milk up in here too. You guys can call this the disgusting smoothie challenge, but to us it's delicious candy challenge.
Delicious. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good. I don't know.
So we're gonna start this up, but where's the lid?
The lid. I don't know.
Use a plate because we're Mexican.
We're Mexican here. Plate. Like this, or not like this. Alright then. We started right here.
Wait, read it.
Wait.
Smoothie.
Extract right here. Just way too loud.
You know why? What? No. The abuelita.
That's hard. Dang, guys, that thing was loud. I gotta admit it.
Take out the abuelita.
Wait.
Abuelita, we're saving you.
God damn, bro. Wait, no, that's not. Wait, my boys. I gotta try some of this.
Don't spin it back in there.
Oh, psycho. No, it's actually good.
Where's my abuelita?
I don't know. Can't
Let me
find it.
see. Let me hold this. I'm gonna hold it. Let me use a different spoon because you put your mouth all over that one. Yeah, look at that. All the candy chunks and shit. Oh, what was that? Was that my abuelita? Let's check it out. Ready?
Yeah.
Smell that.
It's good.
We'll get our fancy cups out for this one.
Our fancy cups out.
Where's our fancy cups? Fancy cups. Oh, those are your fancy cups.
Oh, there they are.
Yeah. We almost lost them for a second, you know?
My boy dropping cups all around here.
Quentin's going savage, guys. Here's your cup.
Thank you.
Here's my cup. Let's pour some.
Pour some on me first, sir.
Get some close-up views of this. That's all I'm gonna get. Because this probably has like 3,000 calories in it.
Yeah. Oh, damn.
There you go. Your 3,000 calorie milkshake is up.
What do you think about that?
Mm-hmm. What do you think, Steven? I think one of them had peanut butter and I don't like peanut butter.
No, I actually don't like it. I freaking love it. Yeah.
Well, peace out, guys. Today, you hope you enjoyed that video. Let me, if we get 10 likes on this video, I'll post a video of squeezing Esteban's nipples as hard as I can.
Don't do that. It hurts. If you guys want to try that, I'm set.